We are so delighted to be here amongst you and address you as members of the BJP. And it was actually a privilege when I was informed that I have to go to Shillong to address the media. I felt so delighted because I've been here in the past, but as a member of the party, as a senior member, this is my first visit. And I got a chance to meet a few members of the media yesterday also, and senior members of our party, our president, our honorable minister, our chief spokesperson here, and members of the team in Meghalaya. It's a young team, it's a very vibrant team, it's a very dynamic team, and I wish them all the best for the future. So we are here. Secondly, I just wanted to say something about my
the which of people. And now a case has been registered, arrests have been made, but the government has set up a commission of inquiry also. And let's look at the terms of reference of the commission of inquiry, because ultimately it all depends on the term of reference. And if needed, that like it's not only about getting to know about the incident, how it happened, but I think so as members of the public, we would like to know what is the people involved behind all this kind of, I should say it's an open illegality which is happening. We have never denied it. The government has ultimately come up and admitted that these things have happened, and I think so it's fair for us to wait for the investigation of the government to complete it.
The CM supported by the BJP is also holding control of forest and mining. So you feel that we should take more responsibility? Yeah, last. We should take more responsibility.
Stick to budget actually.
I mean, no, you said about the budget, but these are law about it.
no, it's okay.
Which is affecting the growth of the
Please,
state.
please ask.
We should be taking more responsibility and which, of course.
No, because you cannot have a change before everything happens. What is the more important is what action has been taken by the government.
Yeah.
That is more important than action to take. So government has taken action, and let's wait for the outcome of the whatever the government is. So let's hear from others also.
Also in the state,
The budget, and it also has other measures which all are, we take, which follow from the guiding principles, the three kartavyas, like the push being given to the industrial sector, push being given to employment generation. There are so many measures which have been enunciated, which have been highlighted in the budget. The new age economy, data centers, artificial intelligence, pharmaceuticals, biochemicals, so biotech, all these new age economy